What's up guys, Perry from Rockville here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up your laptop or computer to the BLUDAC2 receiver. So one of the inputs we can use on the BLUDAC2 is the USB input to connect devices like my laptop right here or a computer. So to connect my laptop to the receiver, I'm going to take the included USB-C to USB-A cable, plug the USB-A end into my laptop, then plug the other end into the USB-C port on the back of my receiver. So like I mentioned earlier, we can switch the sample rate or bit depth depending on the device we're using, so that this way we're sending the best quality possible to the receiver in order to get that high fidelity analog sound. So to do that on our PC, we're going to scroll down to the bottom right corner where the sound icon is. Click on this arrow here above the volume bar. From there, we're going to be able to change the audio output. So in this case, we want to switch it to the BLUDAC2. From there, we're going to right click on the sound icon, click the sounds tab. From there, we're going to go to the playback tab here, double click on the BLUDAC2. From there, you're going to go to the advanced tab. And then under the default format, we can go to this drop down menu here and then choose from all of the different formats we have available. For today, we're going to switch it to 24-bit and 48 kilohertz. After we're all done setting it up, we can press apply. And then you'll see next to the screen here that the receiver is taking the 48 kilohertz from our computer. A quick note, depending on the program you're using, whether it's Google, Spotify, etc., the BLUDAC is always going to revert to the sample rate available on that program. Now say you wanted to do this with a Mac computer or laptop, you're going to follow very similar steps. Now because a lot of the newer MacBooks only have USB-C ports, I'm going to take a regular USB-C to USB-C cable, but you can always use a USB-A to USB-C adapter if you're just using the included USB-C to USB-A cable. So you're going to plug one end into the USB-C port on the back of the receiver, then plug the other end into one of the USB-C ports on your computer. Now on the newer OSs for Mac, you may actually get an accessibility prompt so that the computer can communicate with the receiver. If that pops up, you're just going to press OK. So now to set the receiver as your output device on your computer, you're going to go into the sound settings of your Mac, scroll down to the output and input section and look for BLUDAC2, and click on BLUDAC2 to set it as the output device. Now to switch the sample rate and bit depth on your Mac, you're just going to go to the spotlight here, search for the Audio MIDI Setup app available on every Mac, and then as soon as we open up the app, you'll see the BLUDAC2 over here, and to change the format, we're just going to go to the format section over here and click down on this drop down menu. From here, we'll have all these different menus available, but if we click on the bit depth menu, you'll see all the different bit depth and sample rates we can use with the receiver. So for example, it's set to 48 kilohertz right now, but if I switched it to 96, it's automatically going to switch to 96 on our receiver, letting us know that's the sample rate playing from our computer. But remember, the BLUDAC is automatically going to read the sample rate depending on the program you're using. So hopefully this showed you guys how easy it is to set up your BLUDAC2 to your laptop or computer. But if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to reach out to our customer support team through phone or email. As always, I'm Perry from Rockville, and we'll see you guys next time.